I've replaced the ball button finally. It took some time.
Doors closing.
All the buttons are all good. The indicators all as they should be.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Yeah.
Going down. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Got back to that later and they fixed it properly finally. Shouldn't have not taken that long to fix the fucking call button out of glass. And just covered it with a sticker. That should have been a priority repair
Doors
to us.
opening.
Anything that's glass should be a priority repair.